So hello, good day. I'm sorry for the lack of camera because my camera at the moment is malfunctioning. So um, I'm here to present my OJT1 presentation. I am Emil Consumo and I will be presenting it. So first, my home company is Smart Communication Incorporated, which is located in Ayala, Makati. So as we all know, Smart is a sub company of PLDT, which is one of the biggest telecommunication company in the Philippines. My work there as an intern is to do work orders, inventory, mostly administrative work and documentation. So for my presentation, these are the pictures of the lobby of the company. So Smart believes that the company should be a happy space for employees to work efficiently and effectively. That's why there is a big sign in the lobby that is saying happy place. Next will be the floor and my workstation. So as you can see, this is my workstation. I have the company provided me with my own company laptop uh, that gives access for the files that uh, the files that I need for the work order, every information that I need to um, give the give important data or give the necessary data needed to the work order. And the last picture on the right is the lobby of the 20th floor, which is the floor that I am located on. My department, I forgot to say, would be transport and network engineering. This department handles the cell sites, the uh, si signals. We provide signals for the cellular phone, uh, data, and other uh, other things needed for a particular cell site to work. For example, the department, I mean, uh, lays out fiber optic cables. We provide bandwidth for the internet. So as we all know, the current one is 5G, but we are now in the process of in research and development producing the 6G, which is also now been has been used in other countries. So yes. So, yes, as I said earlier, my workload is mostly of administrative work that consists of work orders, inventory management, and lately I have been assigned as a project lead uh, to create a database for the department because we have only been using Microsoft Excel uh, to record our data, spreadsheet in general. So the the concept of this is you have to open individual spreadsheets or Excel file so that you can access a data or a information you need. But as we go on to develop this database, everything is just one click away. And this database will be integrated in the server of the company. But as I said, my role of this is just my role in this project is to give instructions, give timelines as the project lead, divide workloads to people or to my team, which are all interns too from different schools. One of them is from Mapua, an IT student. So, so this is these pictures are from meetings and project planning. So, so you can see in these pictures, the middle picture is already about the project, the database project. Uh, it is uh, we decided what should be in the database itself, what kind of data are needed or should be integrated in that database. Next, now we on the left side, the left picture, we are talking with the department that handles the server of the company. So because we were told that we should integrate it or we should put this database in the server so that everyone in the department can have access to it. On the next two pictures is me dictating what or telling my team what the project should look like. What is it supposed to be? What should it um, contains, so to say. And so for my last picture, this would be the other pictures of the company. So uh, in the right, I mean on the left picture is my interns, my team for the project, and also my uh, other as also at the other interns. On the middle is the whole department. This was taken in a like onting salo-salo to say. And lastly is my team. I belong to South Metro Manila. I handle the inventory, the administrative works of cell sites in uh, South Metro Manila. That includes Makati, Pasay, half of Pasig, and Parañaque, Las Piñas, Mandaluyong. Those are the places that I handle inventory and issue work orders for. And the operation side, I mean the linemen to access the cell site. So my feedbacks on the company, Smart Telecommunications is a good company to start or to experience the corporate world. It gives priority to the interns and the company helps the interns to understand or learn more on how the corporate world works. Uh, the process in getting in smart is a bit hard because you must really be in line or in line or a good fit for the company. For my case, I am a business or business administration student that has an IT background. So in their sense, I can understand the technical aspect of wo- uh, the work while doing administrative work. For example, I can understand or I can read the frequencies of some radios. I can compute it. So I can pinpoint what radio should be in the inventory. For example, I need to for dismantling, I need to dismantle something. I will issue that work order to give to the linemen or the people on the ground while processing it in the inventory. So it's mostly more of inventory management in my case. Um, the company gives good supervision to its interns. It gives a what do you call this? Always, the company, so, your immediate supervisor is always there for you if you need questions. Uh, if you ask questions, I mean, if you ask questions or you need some information, they're always available to answer your questions. At the same time, even the managers, if you approach them, they are friendly and easy to talk to. They will also answer any confusion, any question or misunderstanding you are experiencing in your workload. So it's easy to learn from them. It's easy to absorb knowledge that you can do your work efficiently and effectively. And lastly, as I heard that Smart LDT Smart has revoked its internship program for a long time. It was only recently that they uh, opened it again. So they created this program. Let's say they call it cohorts one, cohorts two, cohorts three. It's the program. Um, this program is designed, like I said earlier, to help interns in gaining knowledge, learning, and experiencing the corporate world. Yes. So, if my suggestion, my recommendation, if an intern wants to learn more or experience the corporate world, they should opt to join Smart or PLDT. But like I said, it's a very, very uh, strict selection program, selection. So you should do your best in the interview and see if you can make it inside. Uh, I hope to see more Mapuans in there. And thank you for listening or watching my video presentation. Thank you and goodbye.